And we are live.
We are
Hello,
live.
everybody. Yes, we are.
Hello.
Uh, Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome to Digital Business Diaries, episode 18. Welcome to this Go Live series. Today, I have a special guest, Lily Beth, who is a fellow nurse like myself, and also a digital business owner. And we're gonna chat about if you ever thought about starting a digital business but felt overwhelmed or didn't know where to begin. This session is for you because we are gonna through Lilibeth's experience, we're gonna break down her journey to the digital space. Lilibeth is going to share a little bit about herself, her background, language, children, and occupational background, and why she started, what inspired her to start this business. So welcome, and thank you so much for joining us or watching this later. If you like this episode, please do share it with your friends and family. So dawada, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Lilibeth, welcome. Greet the people in your language, and also please share with us, introduce yourself and share with us what inspired you to, start your digital business. Thank you so much.
First of all, I just want to thank Nasro for inviting me. I'm a little bit nervous, but anyway, for those who first time, maybe you have already seen me like on my previous lives by myself or with my co-business partners. My name is Lily Beth, currently based here in Ontario, Canada. Originally from Vintar, Ilocos Norte. Ilocano po, pure Ilocano. Taga Ijayak, I will say it in my dialect. Ijay Vintar, Ilocos Norte, Ilocano. Da kayo nga gagayem ken kakabsat dati gayem ko nga nang invite kanya ket sa from where are you, Nasra?
I am based in Melbourne, Australia, and I'm originally from Somalia. I've been living in here in Australia for 23 years now.
Oh, you see, in this business, I didn't meet Nasra only here in our community. This is how like this amazing community. See, so I will just continue my myself. So my I already told you my name is Lily Beth, right? I am a proud registered nurse by profession. I work in the operating room in one of the biggest hospital here in Ontario, Canada. I'm a loving wife, and I have an amazing teenage son, turning 15 this coming September. And last but not the least, I'm a proud digital business owner. Yes. I was so inspired in joining this business because of its flexibility. And I have lots of goals in life. That's why when I saw this business at the beginning, I was so inspired because of the especially like the flexibility, and freedom when it comes to financial and time. Especially now, like I'm not already young and I'm still working and close to retirement, and for sure I know that this one will give me opportunity that my goals will be I will succeed for my goals because I have lots of dreams, especially like this flexibility. You can work anytime and anywhere, wherever you go. Your business is up and running because of the system. And also those people who already been in this business, they have like already like they are being successful. That's why I'm so inspired that I joined this digital marketing.
Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely. So you work in 9 to 5, but you're doing this on the side so you can retire early.
Yeah.
And do you love traveling? Is that something that you want to do? Is that another reason why you want to retire early so you can see the
Yes.
world? Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, Nasro, I've been here in Canada for since 2006.
Mm-hmm.
The only place that I went is Kentucky, where the Noah's Ark.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only place that I went, and also I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. That's the only two countries I saw ever since in my life. So because of like
Yeah.
financial issues, I have to
Yes.
prioritize my needs. Like, if I can, even I'm a nurse, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even I'm a nurse, you know, but because of lots of bills to pay,
Yes.
and
Mm.
lots of taxes that we are been paying at the end of the year, right?
Yes.
When this business, I found this business, it's really amazing because there are lots of potentials and benefits of being here in the community.
Yeah. And also, you have a child, the children are very, very expensive. The bills, they're gonna keep coming. But how do you pay the bills, but also, live a quality life where, that's not what you're not just existing to pay the bills. You want to enjoy life because life is short.
Right.
We're not going to be here. Tomorrow is not promised. So how can you achieve your dreams, pay the bills, but really enjoy life and take care of yourself? A 9 to 5 job is not always going to allow that. So
Yes.
it's important, and it's a little bit that you're amazing that you're a theater nurse. You work in the operating room and you're still doing this business. What that shows is how little time it requires and that anyone can do it. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
amazing. And I can't believe you worked in Saudi Arabia. I mean,
I worked there for 2 years. That, yes.
that is so
Wait,
brave. I don't think I can visit there, but I don't think I can work there. One, it's too hot, and two, there's other issues. I don't think.
yeah. That's why, like, I think like it's only 2 years, way back 2000, and I went there 2000, year
Yeah,
2000, and then I went home 2002. But that is where I learned a lot. I gained an experience working in the operating room because it's more like advanced compared to the Philippines, way back those years.
yeah.
Yes.
It's beautiful. I would definitely wouldn't have lasted 2 years. Um, but because I'm from Africa,
Yeah.
and people think Africa is hot, but
Mhm.
nothing compared to the Middle East, and I cannot handle the heat. Um, yeah, but I think I can't believe you lasted. And you know what that also shows is how hard you are working to get ahead in life. You know, going to live in the Philippines, going to Saudi Arabia, coming back to the Philippines, finding another opportunity to get a better life and migrate to Canada. You're a hard worker. You're a hard worker. And every individual in this community, what I noticed is they are hardworking people who are just looking for the opportunity and that break. And for me, that break was finding this community, this business.
Yes, because if you have a dream,
Yeah,
you have to do everything, right?
absolutely.
You
Yes.
have to do everything. You have to
Yeah.
take the risk.
Mm.
Yeah, you have
And
to
and
take the
speaking of
risk.
risk, when you found this opportunity, obviously probably on social media, were you skeptical? Did you have any doubts?
Yes, I
Mhm.
especially I'm not a millennial, right?
Mm.
I'm not a computer. I'm not tech savvy, and I don't have any business experience when it comes to online. So I was so skeptical, and there's so many if. What if this is a scam? What if I cannot follow the system, right? But I'm so grateful that I took the leap to join this business, because I know I have trusted the business.
Yeah.
I have trust on the business, and I've been sure, I know for sure that being here in the community, you have a full support. You are surrounded by people globally. It's not
Yes.
only one country, two countries. It's globally. That's that's why I joined this one. And my doubts, like, oh boy, when
Yeah.
I overcome those doubts when I told to myself, why people can do it, I can do it too.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because watching all those the journeys of our coaches, like our mentors, it's the same like me when they started. The only difference is they started earlier than me.
Exactly.
And
They found
yes,
it earlier. Yeah.
yeah, and they were like telling their journey about their experiences. So we have I copy them, right?
Yes. Yeah.
What they did, and now our community is growing. There are
Yeah.
more people will help you to build up your to build up our business, to help you to build up my business. And
Yes.
yeah, and also like it's a 24/7 support,
Yes.
and we have that system, right? That you go in like for the training that is step by step, being supported by your mentor, your coaches, and other people there in our community.
Like for me, I wasn't skeptical about, working online, because it's something that I was praying for.
Oh,
But yeah, I wasn't skeptical about the business idea. But for me, I had self-doubt. I was like, can I really be on social media? I was so scared. Can I be on social media? And when I started my Go Live, like, I was literally, choking on my own words, and it was terrifying. But and then I had to, overcome it by changing my mindset and working on my mindset, and seeing, so many people who were shy but overcame it, and they're so successful. They're making more than 6 figures a month, and I was like, come on,
come
it's
on.
worth it. I've got to push myself. And a lot of people, they think social media is evil. Social media is a tool, and it's the future. It's what you do with it.
Yes.
It's up to you, what you do with it. That's basically what makes it evil, good or bad. Yeah.
Mhm. That's right. Yes. Yeah, me too. At the beginning, like, because we do like in our group, like we do challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, like everyday challenge. That is where I gained my confidence before the first time I showed up on
Yeah.
social media. Everybody, like in my work,
Mhm.
they they thought my Facebook page was hacked because they
Yeah.
never seen my face on social media. And that, yes, this is true. Yeah, this is true. And then I said, I was so nervous when they said like, oh, your Facebook page. I was like, a hack. And then they showed me, and then I told them, no, it's not hack. This
Yes.
is I have my business, online business. That's why
Yes.
they keep on like asking me, what is this business?
Mm.
And then
To
I
be
share.
honest with you, Lilibeth, I actually didn't do anything on my personal page. I just created my business page, and I started, doing activities on it, posting, and I didn't put anything on my personal page, which is a lot of people. But the reason is because I was scared of judgment.
Yes.
Yeah, and so until recently, like, it took me a while to overcome that fear. So I was like, what I want and my dream in the future I want is far more important than putting myself in a box because of people's judgment. So I had to put that in the rubbish, and then I started putting posts and videos on my personal page as well. And I didn't get judged or bullied or even looked at the wrong way. I didn't even receive one negative comment. So sometimes we are our own enemies. It's up here. We got to work on this.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. That's true. Yeah. Yes.
I had a procedure recently at the hospital, and one of the nurses that was looking after me in the procedure ward was a nurse from the Philippines, and she was like, "What do you do after I come out of the after the morphine wear off?" And they gave me food and tea, and she was like, "What do you do?" And I said, "I have a digital business, online business." And she was like, "I see a lot of people talking about start an online business, about their online business on social media." And I thought it was a scam, and I said, "No, there is many Filipino nurses and people of different backgrounds in our business community." I gave her my information. It's not. And she was like, "I'm definitely going to take action and look into it because I thought it was a scam. But now that I actually met somebody who's doing it, I believe you." So, guys, just look at our pages, see how long we've had them, what we are doing. You can see us struggling with, camera shyness, posting. We are real people. We have real lives, and we just want to improve our lives, and we want to help you do the same.
Yes.
So do your research. Check out our free webinar. One of the reasons why our webinar is free is for your own protection, to make sure that you can check it out and make your decision. And you can watch it as many times as you like to make that decision. And while we are on that topic, Lilibeth, what steps did you take to start your digital business?
When I started the business, I signed up. I registered my name and my email and my mentor's website. I once I registered, I received a link for me, like to what you have mentioned, the free 90-minute free webinar. It was like I think it's Thursday. The day that I watch is Thursday. I remember. And then after what I invest my time for that 90-minute webinar. I did because for all those testimonials of those members in our community, I'm really inspired. They have their own journey, they have their own experiences, right? So once I finished my I finished the live, not even the replay, because I register myself. So I sit down for that 90 minutes, and then I said to myself, "Oh, this is I think this is the right place." That because I have so many dreams in life, I think this business will help me to fulfill my dreams, right? So I told to Rhoda that I said I want to know more about the business. I said so because she said, like, okay, if you want to know more, you just follow the link, and then that's the time. I think like a day after the free webinar, I watched the free webinar, and then I just paid my one-time membership fee, and it says there it's refundable within 30 days.
Yes,
within 30 days. So before I paid, I really prayed to God. But I'm thinking that amount, I can buy, I can buy like other things more than the amount that I will invest for this one. I said, why not? This is a lifetime changing this is a life-changing opportunity for me, right? So I paid that one-time lifetime membership fee, and then Oh my God, I was so amazed because I saw everything what's it's like inside.
Once you
And
came inside the community.
the community, yeah,
Yeah.
what's all about our community. So I did like the coaching call. I didn't even what's the free coaching videos. Just the I booked an appointment with Coach Lee.
you,
You
you,
see?
you, you skipped the break.
Yeah, because because I'm so excited because
Yeah.
I saw because Rhoda is my coworker.
Yeah.
I know for sure why Rhoda it's in this community if this
Yeah.
is a scam, I said. So I told to Rhoda, I'm working. I think it's Tuesday also or Monday. When she called me,
Yeah.
it was like already 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
We end up like 2 o'clock in the morning because
Oh my God.
I'm so excited. I'm so
Yeah.
excited. And then they are the one worrying, oh yeah, we can continue tomorrow, Lily. It's okay. No, I want it now.
Yes. Get me in now.
So what I'm waiting for, I want to know, I want it now. So we finished like 2 o'clock. And then after I got home again because I went to work like seven. I started 7:30, and the following day, when I finished work, I just took a nap. And then because of time difference, right, from California to here, it's 3 hours difference. So I called again to Rhoda. Rhoda, I'm home already. And then she was, oh, Lily, are you okay? You are not tired? No. I want to start the business right away, I said. I didn't think twice because I know that it will change. Because what's the point of delaying if
No point. No
you
point.
if you have the feeling, right? I have that strong feeling that, this business will change my life, not only for myself but for my family, and also the friends out there who are watching us if we are sharing, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And then after that, what when I already did everything, the one time coaching and everything, so I when my business ID already like been set, my funnel and everything, only it didn't take like maybe like 2 or 3 days. That's
Yeah.
why Rhoda and Divine and Maristel, my mentor, they said like, oh, your funnel is already up and running, your business is good. Oh, it's so fast. Like Rhoda told me, like when I did mine, it takes like I think like more than a week or two, but for me days. Maybe God knows that I'm already like excited and start the business. So after 3 days, my business is up and running.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I watched the webinar, Lilibeth, I was so excited, but I didn't have the 149 USD. I had part of the money, so it took me, I think, a week and a half to gather the money. So while I was gathering the money, I kept watching the replays because we have the live webinars twice a week.
Twice a week, yes.
Yeah, so every time if I was not able to join, they sent me they email you the replay, and I watch it and I get more excited, and I was like, I wish I would have taken action just like you the first time I watched the webinar, but the reason I didn't is because I didn't have the money.
The money. Let's call you back.
I said to Amina, my mentor, I will get the money and just give me a few days. And she's like, take your time. There's no need to rush. And then I paid the 149 and I watched the pre-coaching videos. I didn't skip that part because I wanted to know more about, the partnerships and the commission and all that. So then but of course you skip that part because you were like, this for me, this is life-changing. Let's just begin. So then I finished all the coaching call videos, which is very short. I think they're like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. And after that, I booked my coaching call, and I made it a Sunday because the kids are with their dad on the weekend. and I really wanted to like have a calm environment for that conversation, because that coaching call is they help you structure your business.
Yes.
But then I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for Sunday, so I moved it. I moved it 3 days earlier.
Oh,
I was bursting. I was so excited.
but for me, Nastro, I said like I skipped that free prayer coaching videos. I skipped that one because I know this one is good. Rhoda told me, no, you have to watch the pre-coaching videos. That's what Rhoda told me. But I said, no, I don't need that one. I already watched the live free webinar. That's enough for me. I said, I want
you.
I told her, why should I watch lots of things? I already know that this one is a life-changing opportunity for me. Why not delete? Otherwise, I will miss that one. I said.
Yes, exactly. You did the right thing.
Yes.
Sometimes it takes one webinar to know it's mine. It's like, it's gold.
Yeah.
Yeah. And honestly, I'd like you. I was praying a lot. For this opportunity. And I felt like, God sent this opportunity to me because He knew. I feel like a lot of the people in this community, they're handpicked by God, because they all have amazing stories of struggle and despair and hope and prayer, and they all came at the other end. And we can do the same. And it's not just the money. There's so much education around mindset and self-improvement. So it's a holistic business. It doesn't just improve one aspect of your life. It improves 10 areas of your life.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
I love that. Like for me, when I started my business, I decided, because of my health issues and the stress, and I had so many responsibilities, I had to first, work on lowering my stress, getting rid of a lot of the responsibilities that weren't benefiting me directly, and calm my life, and, change my mindset and learn what gratitude is. And then once I did that, then I started taking action in my business. So it's been the best decision I've ever made. I'm so grateful to have found this opportunity. I say, Alhamdulillah, thank you, God, every day. So, and the last question, Lilibeth, is what advice would you give to those who are thinking about, starting the digital journey, but they're sitting on the fence, fear because of fear or whatever is holding them back? There are a lot of human beings. We have a lot of unnecessary fears that stop us. The comfort zone is it's not our friend.
I know.
And you can answer this in your language if you like.
In my okay. Sa mga nanonood sa amin ngayon na gustong sumali pero may pa rin, may doubt pa rin na baka ito, kung ano-ano ang nasa isip nyo, ito ay talagang magandang opportunity na business na to na magpabago ng ating buhay. Kagaya ko at saka si Nastro, we are here in the business. It's we want you to tell you everybody that it's a life-changing opportunity. When maybe you are thinking about like it's online, it's hard to do, especially like you are not a millennial that you are not used with the computer. Hindi kayo huwag kayong matakot, kasi dito sa business na to ay hindi mo kailangan na magaling ka sa computer. Mayroon kang experience sa business. Ako wala akong experience sa business. Kasi dito sa business na to na pinasukan namin ay may training, step by step training na ginagabayan ka ng ng mga mentor, yung coach namin, at saka hindi lang sila lahat ng mga member dito sa community ay magtulong-tulungan. It's 24/7. If you really need help, that you cannot figure it out what to do, somebody will help you, because you are not doing on your own. There's a system, step-by-step training and the system. And one thing more is this one is automated, meaning the system is working for you, and only 10% that you have to give effort. Because what I already experienced, even you are working on your full time, your business is working on the background, meaning the system is the one like working for you. For example, when I'm at work, and when after work, when I got home, I check my cell phone. Oh, there's somebody who wants to join in our community.
Yes.
I didn't do anything. It's the system that it will work for you. 90%, where can you get that kind of business? It's only here, right?
Yes.
And also like our community, our business is being partnered with a company that's high ticketed, that they just celebrated the 50 years anniversary in
51.
Japan. Yeah, right?
Yeah,
and
51 years.
This year now, but and then this year they're gonna be celebrating the 51st anniversary. It will be held in Japan 50 last year, and then this year in Chula Vista, San Diego. Yeah, that's why. And you can this business, you can, it's very flexible. You can work in your own time. Even you are cooking, even you are whatever you are doing, your business is up and running.
Yes.
Right? And you can take it anywhere you go, like when you go traveling, your holiday, right? Yeah, wherever you go, anytime, anywhere, you can bring this kind of business. So don't think twice. Come and join us. You just check our website, either of our website with Nasro. Yeah, what's your website, Nasro? Just mention your website.
Oh, it's nasraabdi.com.
Okay, and mine is www.lilibethfernandez.com, and you just register your full name and your email address. And I already told you like the steps. Once you registered, it will lead you where to go. And
Absolutely.
you can see, so don't think twice. Don't think about like being like a tech-savvy. You don't need to be a tech-savvy in here. For me, I don't know at the very start, but when I went in, I feel I'm overwhelmed at the beginning, but the full support is on the community. You will not be left alone. In here, it's a teamwork.
It is.
Yeah, and we have a common goal to have like financial and time freedom and retire early.
Yes.
Yeah, and this business, it's for everybody. As long as you are 18 years old and above and coachable, you are on the right platform, right? And not only nurses, everybody, right? Because they're thinking, there are somebody is said like, oh, it's only nurses for this business. I got a message like that, but I replied them no. But most of the in our group, like most of the people like I know is nurses, because of the benefit, right? Because of the tax benefit. That's why. Because we can write off like because of overtime at the end of the year, you have to pay taxes. But if you have this business, you will instead of paying your taxes, we will have the refund. So come and join us.
That is beautiful. Yeah. yeah, you can do this business if you work 9 to 5, whether you are professional in the corporate world, or a busy stay-home mom, or a high school graduate, or if you are even battling a chronic, health condition like me. You can see I am changing how I am sitting, how many times, because I have nerve pain. But I'm pushing through, because that's what women do. We push through.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you so much, Lilibet. That was amazing conversation, and I hope this session gives you the clarity and confidence to see that starting a digital business is possible, even as a beginner. A huge thank you to Lily for sharing your journey today, and I hope you guys find this episode valuable. Share it with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. And we are both in the community. Me and Lily, we're in the same community. We're the same. Get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. Whether you have comments or questions, or want to check out the webinar, Lily's website is there, or you can just message her. Thank you so much for hanging with us this half an hour, and thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next live. Thank you, Lilibet.
Thank you, Nasro. Have a good night, day, or whatever time in any part of the world. Thank you for watching. Yes.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.